Here's a video of my homemade box fan I made out of an old heater. I was inspired to make this video because it needed a remake badly, and I updated a couple things. And LegenDriver has a bunch of homemade box fans, so I thought I would put a video up of this. So here's the front. You got a 5-blade impeller inside with a mesh wire safety grill right here. On the side, it's a pretty thick fan. On the back, just got a shaded pole motor. I also put a sticker on here. And it's 120 volts, 25 watts, and 0.2 of an amp. So, first change I made, that orange cord that was seen in the last couple videos is gone. I put a nice 2-conductor 15-foot power cord on it. And inside I also put Waco wire connectors to connect the connections. What I did with the old heater stuff, I just scrapped it. Just took it apart and removed everything. Heater, elements, and thermostat, everything. On the first video I did of this, the element and everything was removed, but the thermostat and knobs were still intact. But the knob had really bad contact, so I just took that out and then just left it in place. And then I just got tired of it, so I just removed it totally. Now there's just nothing there, no light, no knobs, nothing. So I just plug it in. So here's the test run. It's a soothing noise. It's a very clean white noise. It's a good white noise fan, which is a good amount of air. You can use it for like exhausting soldering fumes and stuff like that. Obviously, if you're soldering, you probably want to have this by an open window. The solder has lead in it, but that's a different video. Yeah, there's very minimal vibration, but just in case, put 4 little pads on the bottom. And there you go. That's my homemade box fan that I made out of an old heater. Thanks for watching, comment, rate, and subscribe.